Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send Atok tokens to your Trust wallet using the latest version in 2025. I'm going to be covering everything here in this video, like from adding Atok to receiving the tokens safely. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Trust Wallet mobile application and then you need to provide your login credentials and login into your account. Now, if you are using Trust Wallet for the past couple of months, you already know that now Trust Wallet has changed its interface and you will see some of the options here and there shift. So in order to get this latest interface, first you will have to launch your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Trust Wallet. Once you are able to find the Trust Wallet application, you need to tap on the update option right next to it and you need to update your Trust Wallet mobile application to the latest version. Now, once you have done that, you need to tap on the open button in order to launch your Trust Wallet app. Here, you need to provide your login credentials and you need to simply log in into your account. Now, they have shifted the wallet option here in the bottom. So you need to scroll down on the home page, then tap on the option of manage crypto. Here in this list, you will see all of your cryptos like BTC, Ethereum, XRP, which you can basically enable or disable on or from the home page respectively. So over here, you need to make sure that your BNB Smart Chain network is enabled here. This is BNB Smart Chain. You need to tap on the toggle button right next to it so that this particular option comes on the home page of your Trust Wallet. So once this step is done, you need to understand that Atok is a BEP20 token. So we need the BEP20 network over here. Now you need to tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you can basically either import a crypto or you can even add any custom network over here. So since Atok is not available in your Trust Wallet application, we need to add it in the form of a token. In order to add that or in order to find that, we need to get the contract address of Atok. So in order to do that, you need to simply open your web browser and here in the search bar, you need to search for Atok contract address. Now once you search for this query, you will find the link from BSC scan. So you need to tap on this option and wait for some time until it redirects you on the next page where you will see the information about Atok and you will also see its contract address. So regardless of whichever option you choose, whether you choose the ERC scan or either scan or BSC scan, you need to just scroll down and here in the bottom you will see the other info section. Here you will see the contract address of Atok, so you need to simply copy it from here. Similarly, if you go to the BSC scan and tap on the first link, you need to simply select the address from here, then you need to copy it and come back in your Trust Wallet application. Over here in the address bar, you need to paste the address. Here in the name, you need to give the name as Atok. The symbol should also be Atok, and after that the decimal should be 18. So most of the time it is automatically going to take the details over here, but if it doesn't, you need to provide these details. Now once you tap on the add option, your Atok account will look something like this. Over here you will see the network, which would be BEP20, because as I said earlier, Atok is a BEP20 token. So since it is showing you ERC20, but you will have to add the BEP20 network over here. Now you will see the send and the receive option, and these two options are basically going to be using in order to get your Atok token in your Trust Wallet account. Now in order to do that, you need to simply launch your Atok mobile application just like so. Once you are in your account, you need to provide your PIN. So once you are in your Atok account, its interface will look something like this. Here in the top, you will see your Atok balance. Right next to it, you will see the manage option. So you need to tap on manage and you will be landed on this page. Here, simply tap on the option of transfer and it will ask you to provide the wallet address. So in order to get the address, you need to simply launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, then tap on the receive option, and this is your contract address which you need to copy from here. Then go back to this page and paste the address in this section. Afterwards, in the amount, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. You can either add max, or you can also provide your own decimals over here. Here you will see the number of fees that you need to pay in Atok. So you need to tap on the transfer option in the bottom. On the next page, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully add it in your Trust Wallet account. Now this particular transaction is going to take around 1 to 5 minutes, so you need to be patient until you get the Atok coins of yours in your Trust Wallet account. So this is how you can send Atok to Trust Wallet using the updated dashboard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment and I'm here to help you out with the full process. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.